Hi everyone, my name's Kelly. I'm from Sydney, Australia, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make two different cocktails using Lyre's spirits. So the first one we're going to make is called a Lyre's Bianco Spritz. What you'll need is a wine glass or a Spritz glass, or look, we're in isolation, whatever you can find. I've got a 30ml jigger. Again, a shot glass will be fine, or anything you can measure up 30 mils with. I'll be using the Lyre's Orange Sec, and I just want to make note, all of Lyre's products are non-alcoholic, they're vegan, and they're low calorie. So the triple threat there, there'll be no regrets. 30 mils of dry vermouth. So I'll show you what that bottle looks like. They're all really cool. I just forget the word for it, but they're like a animal/human. That's how you helps remember each of the bottles as well. I'm gonna grab Fever Tree tonic water. This is probably the preferred tonic water to use. 90 mils of that. So we've gone 30, 30, 90. I'm gonna grab some ice cubes, and these are literally just from my freezer. Don't mind my hands. I'll be drinking this myself after, so I have been hygienic. All right, we're gonna give that a bit of a stir. Pre-prepared a bit of a cucumber ribbon, so throw that into the glass. And then 2 little bits of lemon I'll throw in there as well. And that's it. Looks really pretty as well. Have a sip. It's so good. It's honestly just like a normal spritz that you'd have at a bar. It's refreshing, light, easy to drink, and you're not gonna get a hangover. I love this sober curious movement where people wanna have more energy, be more focused. Look, and especially at a time like this where you don't want to be hungover on a Wednesday. You lose track of days and times. Look, don't opt for that 3rd bottle of wine, or what are you doing? Jump onto one of these. All right, next one I'm going to do is an Americano. Grab yourself a highball. In this case, I don't have one. I've got IKEA glasses. Great. We're going to do 30 mils of the Italian orange, and this is amazing. I just have this by itself with soda water as well. It's super refreshing. Amazing. Yeah, like it says, Italian orange notes, blood orange. 30 mils of the Aperitif Rosso. So straight into the glass again. These are just built cocktails that we stir. No need to shake, do anything fancy. Definitely spilled some on the table just then, that's fine. And then 90 mils again of tonic water. So it's been the same measurements for both. So 30, 30, 90 tonic water. I'm gonna put some ice in the glass. I'm gonna drink both of them. So again, mind my hands. Give it a bit of a stir. Don't have to stir it too much. And then I've cut up 2 bits of pink grapefruit to make it a nice little garnish there. How pretty is that? I'm actually really impressed with myself there. And then, obviously have a taste. So good. For me, I am definitely a fiend for a nice Negroni, but this is kind of like a spritzier, lighter Negroni. Yeah, well, that's what Americanos are, but I'm gonna go out in my backyard and drink these. It's a beautiful day. Got 2 spritzes in here to drink. But I hope that you guys enjoy the recipes. They are available. These recipes are available on Lyre's, lyres.co. And you can also purchase them at the same website, so lyres.co. And anyone wanted to know what Lyres meant, it's actually from the lyre bird in Australia that likes to mimic things. So after you go ahead and purchase yourself a bottle, go on and check out David Attenborough and Lyre Birds. It is worth a watch. Thank you so much. See you later.